Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone is fine. Today we will revise chapter number 4, question answers of chapter number 4, solids, liquids, and gases. So, come to first question. The first question is, what is matter? Its answer is, anything that has mass and occupies space is called matter. Differentiate between solids, liquids, and gases in terms of their particle arrangement. In solids, particles, they are tightly packed. No space among them. In liquids, particles, they are loosely packed. They can move here and there. And in gases, particles are very far away from each other. And they can move randomly here and there. This is how the particles are arranged in solids, liquids, and gases. Define melting. How is it different from solidification? Melting is the change of solid into liquid is known as melting. When the solid changes into liquid, that process is known as melting. Its opposite, when liquid changes into solid on cooling, that is known as solidification. उसे बोलते हैं solidification. Next, what is a solution? Describe the different kinds of solutions with the help of examples. Now, what is a solution? Its answer is on page number 49. When two substances mix together such that they are evenly distributed, a solution is formed. When you mix two substances, they mix together evenly, they get mixed evenly. Evenly means उनको separate नहीं कर सकते, फिर हम दोनों एक दूसरे में properly mix हो जाते हैं. Then a solution is formed. Solutions are of different types. Page number 50. Solid dissolved in liquid. When solid is the solute and liquid is the solvent, like sugar dissolved in water. Liquid dissolved in liquid, when both solute and solvent, they are liquids, like lemon juice and water. Gas dissolved in liquid, when gas is the solute and liquid is the solvent. Like example, carbonated drinks that you drink, cokes and all that. Gas dissolved in gas, when both solute and the solvent are the gases. Example is air, because in air there are many gases. Next, differentiate between miscible and immiscible liquids. Miscible liquids are those liquids when they mix together, they dissolve completely in each other. They are known as miscible liquids. Means आप अगर दो liquids को mix करते हो तो आप ऐसे mix हो जाते हैं वो दोनों आपस में कि उनको आप separate नहीं कर सकते. Like when you mix milk in water, you cannot separate milk from the water. वो पूरा एक जैसा ही बन जाता है. Liquid that are miscible liquids. Immiscible, they are opposite. When you mix two liquids such that they do not dissolve completely, like oil and water. If you add oil in water, the oil will not dissolve in water. The oil droplets, they will come on the surface of the water. What are physical changes and chemical changes? Give two examples of each. Physical change, it is a type of change in which there is no new product formed. कोई नया प्रोडक्ट नहीं बनता, बस फिजिकल स्टेट में चेंज आती है मटेरियल की. एग्जाम्पल इज tearing of paper. When you tear paper, the shape of the paper changes. There isn't any new product formed over there. And the other example is breaking of glass. When glass is broken, you get the pieces of the glass. Means physical appearance has changed, but there isn't any new product that is formed over here. Chemical change is a type of change in which chemical composition of the substance changes and a new substance is formed. पूरी chemical composition change हो जाती है substance की. When you burn paper, ash is formed. पहले वो पेपर था, उसके बाद वो एश में चेंज हो गया. एश की कंपोजिशन कुछ और होगी, कुछ और प्रोडक्ट्स प्रेजेंट होंगे उनमें, सब्सटेंसेस. एंड द नेक्स्ट एग्जांपल इज मेकिंग कर्ड फ्रॉम द मिल्क. मिल्क से कर्ड बनाना. पहले वो मिल्क था, देन इट चेंज्ड इनटू अ न्यू प्रोडक्ट दैट इज द कर्ड. Why do things expand on heating? जब आप किसी चीज को हीट करते हो तो वो एक्सपैंड क्यों हो जाता है? थिंग्स एक्सपैंड क्यों हो जाती हैं? वो साइज में इंक्रीज क्यों हो जाती हैं? दिस आंसर इज ऑन पेज नंबर 52. When a substance is heated, the particles that are present in the substance, they start moving rapidly. Thus, each particle takes up more space because of its increased movement, causing the substance to expand. What happens when you heat anything? The particles present in that substance, they start moving very fast. ज़्यादा तेजी से वो move करने start हो जाते हैं और ज़्यादा space cover करते हैं. That is why they expand. So this is the reason why the substances they expand on heating. So it's enough for today. So next we will continue in the next lecture. Thank you and have a nice day.